Hey, Amanda. Bella tells me you used to be the best bowler in your team back in high school. Are you interested in joining our bowling club? We play at the bowling centre near Boyd Elementary School.
Well, as much as I'd like to take you up on your offer, I still have to think it over since I've just moved out recently. That place is too far from my new home.
Well, there's a bowling centre affiliated with River Rock Casino near your place. Our team can play over there.
Oh, really? Is it within walking distance?
Yes, the bowling centre is right next to Blundell Mall.
I haven't spent enough time getting to know the neighbourhood ever since I moved in. Is it on Amadeus Street?
No, it's the grand building opposite Oak Ridge Convention Centre. It's facing Georgia Street.
Thanks. I think I got it. We'll keep in touch.
Good morning. This is William Geard. I'm calling from Advanced Metrics. I was due to stop in your office this morning to install software on the computers, but I had something pop up with another client, and I am not able to make it until later this afternoon, around 1 to 2 p.m.
Thanks for letting us know. Unfortunately, we are having a company-wide lunch today from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., so no one will be in the office. I can see if the building secretary is able to let you know.
Okay, that would be great. Can you call me back on this number after you speak to her?
Sure, no problem. I will also leave the payment details with her if she is available.
Good morning. This is Victoria Reynolds. I need to speak with Mr. Locke as soon as possible. I am his client and I have quite a few questions regarding the documents he drew up for my business. Does he have any openings before the end of the month? I am going to my beach house at the beginning of next month and I would like to sort this out before then.
I'm sorry to hear that you're having some issues. Unfortunately, Mr. Locke is on holiday and won't be able to meet with you before the end of the month. Luckily, his partner, Mrs. Sykes, is available. They work very closely, so she should know everything about your case. Are you available at 9 a.m. this Friday?
I guess that will be okay. Can you spell her name for me? I am going to drop off an envelope with her name on it for some additional documents that will be relevant to our meeting.
Hey, Toby. I reached out to the Rose Rooms for our company retreat at the end of the year. The prices seem on par with the rest of the places I checked out, and I think it is the nicest. I would like to hold the event here. Have we gotten any closer to deciding who we are going to use for food and drinks?
I really can't decide. I know the Rose Rooms offers catering, so maybe we should just order from them? Since the event is going to be there, it may be easier just to do a package.
That's true. I think we need to look at the menus, though. We have a lot of employees with dietary restrictions that we have to take into account.
I didn't even think of that. I will get the menus from the Rose Rooms and forward it to the staff to get some feedback. If there is any problem, we can just go with Tommy's Italian. The staff loved it last year.
Hello. I bought this digital camera not too long ago from your store, but lately the shots have been blurry and its autofocus seems quite sluggish.
May I take a look at your camera? I think I found the problem. According to my chart, the error code on the screen tells me that there's something wrong with the lens.
This sounds serious. How much does it cost to replace it?
Well, our warranty covers products for up to a year. Do you remember when you bought it?
Just 5 months ago. Here, I've got the receipt.
Hey, guys. It's been a week since we upgraded your cash register system. Are you having any problems?
My register drawer is getting jammed more frequently after the updates. I'm having the same thing happen. I keep having to use the emergency button on the bottom of the register to prop it open.
Oh, I am sorry. I guess the update wasn't as good as I thought it was. We were under a lot of stress because we had a short turnaround time, so we didn't work out all of the kinks.
Do you know when you'll be able to fix it? Our biggest shopping event of the year is next weekend, and it is going to be problematic if the machines are still running like this. I agree. Our sales associates have already been complaining, and if we don't find a solution, they are not going to be happy.
I will speak to the team, and we can find a solution as soon as possible.
Hey, Mateo. I'm so glad I ran into you. I've been meaning to ask you about the drum lessons you've been taking. Right now, I'm trying to decide between hiring a private tutor and enrolling in online video lessons.
Actually, I'm self-taught, but one of my neighbors had lessons at Heart Music Academy, and they offer in-person lessons for $35 per half hour or $60 per hour. Another option is Drumeo Prof Online School. They have online courses designed for all skill levels and topics at a fraction of the cost. The second option is a lot more affordable.
Thanks for your advice. I will look into both options. By the way, I downloaded a list of equipment I might need. Could you give me some advice?
Sure, let me take a look. Well, a beginner like you needs only the first 3 items. You may choose to buy the rest once you've committed to the instrument.
Thanks. I'll do just that.
Wow, Susan from Human Resources just let me in on a secret. They are giving Edward the promotion that he has been hoping for. The account manager position at the corporate office is his.
That is great news. I bet he is thrilled. Do you know when he is relocating?
It all seems to be moving fast. Susan said his last day here will be on Friday.
Wow, that is fast. But I bet he doesn't mind. He has been wanting a position at the corporate office for a while. It doesn't leave us much time to organize a farewell party. Should we plan one for Friday, after work?
That's very true. Friday works for me. I will send an email out right away.
Hi, folks. Have you heard the good news? The long-awaited language lessons are finally going to begin at the beginning of next month.
Wow, that is great news. I think all the staff has been looking forward to them.
I definitely have. From what I understood, the Chinese classes weren't supposed to start until after the new year. I can't wait.
I just heard it from the general manager. They are due to begin on November 2nd.
Well, I'm happy they moved them up. Almost 30% of the hotel guests are Chinese, and communication can be troublesome, and I hate not being able to give great service.
I know. Even if we just learn the basics, it will make check-in and check-out smoother, and I am sure the guests will appreciate our attempt at the language.
I agree. But I was surprised to learn that the classes will be mandatory, and they will use our participation in our employee evaluations to help determine promotions and raises.
I didn't know that. Now, I'm a little less excited. It sounds a little stressful.